Bruce's van after he filled Esch's truck with shredded paper to the brim with fucking hay. Oh, this man should have locked his shit.
Dude. Damn! You got fucking sardines and shit in there? Holy shit. Hey, wait, open it back up, man.
Oh, look at the goo on the door, man. Someone slooshed on the handle.
Open that bitch back up.
You open it. I'm touching that door handle.
You
Oh.
already had that motherfucker open.
Oh.
Shit.
All the way to the fucking back, dude. You can't see it on the back windows.
I ain't even put my nose
hilarious.
in that motherfucker.
All right, Bruce won, Bob Esch won.